Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video we're going to be doing just a makeup look. You can call it latte makeup look, or you can call it smoky, or like night out, maybe full glam. I want to do just makeup look, have some fun, and enjoy fall makeup looks because it's definitely given lots of fall vibes. I hope you're gonna love it. I hope you're gonna enjoy this makeup look, eye look basically, and let's get started.
Finally, my voice is almost back and I'm going to my regular routine with my NYX primer. And then I will set this with this beautiful beige color. You can use anything like almost translucent powder. It's gonna just be fine to set your lid. And to add a little bit of hint of this, fall makeup look, I added a little bit of bagel color with big and fluffy brush. And then we moved to my black pencil and then started my favorite song.
Waiting up the lawn, tell me where have you been? You can tell me that there's nobody else, but I feel it, but I know your love is just a lie.
Then I went back straight to business. It was my black pencil again, and I wanted to create this wing, but it was really hard for me. I had to go back and forth between my brush, blending brush, crease brush, whatever, and then just black pencil. I want to create a thick line, so it's gonna be underneath all these layers of shimmers and beautiful, colorful, eyeshadows. And then I went back with my black eyeshadows. These ones are from L'Oreal with shimmers. You can use matte eyeshadows as well. And then I went to this really beautiful shimmery color from Beauty Bay palette, and I will tell you that it's better to use this color with your finger, and it's always better to use shimmers with your fingers. And of course, one layer of shimmers is never enough. Never. I'm a little bit in the sin mood. That's why I went back with my Sephora eyeshadow palette and then grabbed this really beautiful shimmery shade. But with my Catrice liner, I created this inner corner moment shape. And of course, I have brown eye pencil. You can use any. This one is from Supermarket. It's really good. It's really well blended. That's why I just went with a clean brush to diffuse it, added a little bit more black for my liner, and of course I did not forget that we had to set my lower lid. I grabbed chocolate brown from the same palette and used it to diffuse my lower lid and just create a smoky look. And of course I did not forget that we have another layer of glitter from NYX palette, and this is the final one, I promise, but you can skip the step. Of course I did not forget that we have to coat lashes with mascara, and of course I added a little bit of falsies to this look. I don't really do that often, but today was the occasion. And of course you have to look down first, and then you can actually drag your lashes to the place you want them to be. And wow, that's a miracle. My second eye is ready within a second. And of course my lips. I used really fancy lipstick today. This one is from Estee Lauder. You can skip that Estee Lauder fancy stuff and use any brown lipstick you have. And then I created my lip contour with just some no name, let's say, lip pencil. And of course, on top, I used my Makeup Revolution watercolor. This one is so pretty, and a lot of people ask me, what is the shade, what is the color? And this is the shade, this is the color.
Okay guys, and that is the final result. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. It is just a makeup look. You can call it latte makeup look, you can call it glam, full glam, night out makeup look, smoky, I don't know, like daytime makeup look, whatever you want to call it, but it's just makeup. Have fun and enjoy the process. And I hope I'm going to see you in my next video, guys. Love you so much. Bye-bye.